Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u antor news. Kuble ye phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam takasni. Kajinyalang jong ka kinhun menteri kabla long hasora civil subdivision kabla ishim benta de ki menteri balayalam da u menteri rangba akajilla u konrad ke sangma. Kila shim ye karai menta kasni na kabenta ka scheme sam umdi shillong kabathmai. Na kabenta ka DRDA bat kata ka de ka deputy commissioner ban pensuk ya ka rukam trekam jong ka jaka ka badon kam. Menteri Rangba halor ka jingpran jong u Shakilat Pathai Kubor na kabenta ka skim sam umding New Shillong ka jaka ka baret ka badon kam da katanat PHE kumta ka DRDA ka badai ka nomi khmat jong ka district kandon hangta. Ka agency kala aibor ba katkum kata le ya ka jingthit ka badon kam. Usangma ulaong Pynduh no ya ka an penkala ya ki pension jong ka Meghalaya Civil Service 1992 but wanrah da ka an ka bathamai. Kini kilong ha ka nongrim ki kendon ki badai ba ka jingpen kala ya ka pension na ka benta ki nong yo pension jong baro ki nong tre Sorkar. Bad kila don kat tu kat ne ki benta ki bla sngokhya bad ya kita ki rukam tre kam mentala pinbha bad ngipin kala pura ya ki kendon. Bar ka jingmut kalong ban pensuk ia ka jingya kun jong ki pension na ka benta ki nong tray na ka benta ki nong tray bala syong than ha ki nong siu pension. Bar kita ki khubor kerpang la Pynduh no ya ka berim bala pelong ya ka hukum ka bathamai menta ka sngi. Kani kan pelong ya ka rukam pen kala ya ki pension baro ka wei ka besuk bat ka besuk shibun ya ki nong tray Sorkar. Ngila rai ru bahapo ka skim pen kiu kerdan kaba lingkot ke skim ACPS ha kaba pitip balada omdan ka jingpen ben na ka benta kanu ka jat jingkeu kerdan na ka benta we unong tre Sorkar kani ka skim ACPS ka ailat ya ki banet syaka kerdan kaba hadin ha kaliang ka jong ka jingsiu jongki wala omsyam la ai ya ka jingkeu kerdan henrei ka kerdan paskal ka kiu man la ka khat arsnem ha ka ta ka jingya lenti ki badan teng teng ki jingkeu ki batikna. Kumta kini kilong ki bajujia shisin hakikat tu kat ni kitnat khnang ban pentikna ba kajuk ka kadan kanne hapdeng ki briu ki blayo ya ka skim ACPS bar ki riu shimet ki bala kiu kadan but we bala khamrang ba ya ubriu blayo ya ka skim ACP. Kumta mentai ka sngi ka kinhun menteri kala pelong renti ya ka but ai ya ka jing menjur bapura na ka benta ka tanat plating ka kat kum ka kis sya ka wepat ka bapet ya ka ni ka benta. Ki kendon kendiat ki weipat ki rai ki bakong san bha ki bal lashim ba ka kinhun menteri kelapan kela ki dor jong ka jingsiu ka baritam ha Meghalaya menta ka sngi. Karai ka baar ka bakong san ka blashim menta ka sngi ka long bangila pen kela ya ki kendon snaying jong ka Meghalaya bad ki we ki kendon jong ki nong tre snaying jong ka snem ara japra.
Decided that under the Assured Career Progression Scheme, ACPS scheme, where you are aware that if there is no provision for any kind of promotion for a particular government employee, this ACPS scheme allows them to go to the next level in terms of their pay scale, even though the promotion is not given, but the pay scale level goes up every 12 years. In that process, there are sometimes anomalies come up where certain employee, because of this ACPS scheme, is getting a higher pay scale more than even the person who is his or her senior because of the promotion that that person got. So these anomalies occur once in a while in certain departments. In order to ensure that the same level is maintained between the people who have been getting the ACPS scheme and the individuals who are promoted and are senior to the persons who got the ACPS scheme, we have allowed the finance department today to, in a way, at par, bring the two together so that these anomalies are not there anymore. This has been happening in the past, but it has been being done at the level of the finance department. We wanted to regularize it, and so today the cabinet has regularized it and given the formal approval for finance department on a case-to-case basis look into these areas and take the necessary decision to bring